Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. Today I'm going to be unboxing Look Fantastic's June box. This is a monthly beauty subscription. It costs $17 a month, and it's shipped to you like the first week of the month. So let's get to opening this. So inside the box I received a couple of things. A 30% off coupon to Ocado. Got that. Free contact lens trial. Another 30% off coupon and another free contact lens trial. So one for me, one for my daughter, right? Okay, so let's see. I love the box. Let's look at the box first. It's got like a map of the world there. And I love the boxes because they're such good material. They're good to recycle and reuse. All right, let's open it. This is what it looks like inside the lid and then inside the box. So the first thing on the the first thing inside the box is this little booklet that explains the products that you're receiving. And then we have this Elle magazine. It's really nice. This is the UK version, I believe. Yes, elle.com/UK. And then we have the beautiful yellow, one of my favorite colors. And then this is what we have here. Okay, so inside the booklet, there's first a little letter from the beauty editor, Ellie. And let's see, table of contents, what's in the box. Okay, so let's start with the first item that's in the booklet. Let me look for it. Okay, the first item is, okay, this is called SVR Topalase Palbarely Dry Plus Sensitive Eyelid Cream, worth 15 pounds. How to use: apply morning and evening to the eyelids and eye contour. Okay, that's interesting. This is, well, you read, right? Yeah, it's really hard to pronounce that, so but you can see that. Anyway, I've never used anything on my eyelid, like a cream for my eyelid, but that's interesting. Editor's tip: eye cream is a skincare essential. Even when you don't think you need it, we'd suggest keeping this in the fridge to help relieve puffiness upon application. Cool. I like that. All right, let's try this on. It says it's made in France. This is 15 milliliters. The consistency is, you know, typical sheer. No scent, so that's good. Okay, we'll try that on tonight. Next in the box is this, oh, feels like it was already open. Okay, next is this peeling mask. It's called E-Cooking Peeling Mask, worth 11 pounds. Apply for 4 to 6 minutes depending on skin tolerance. Use weekly. All right, let's try this. Peeling mask. No panic. If skin turns red, it works. Add moisturizer after. Okay, that's scary. So it's going to turn red. Okay, so that's the way it looks. Kind of gooey. It smells a little funky. Can't really describe it, but it does smell a little funky. It says editor's tip: due to the concentration of AHAs, this mask should tingle upon application. This means it's working. We'd suggest using this in the evening for best results. Okay, good to know. Sometimes I freak out if there's a mask that starts tingling. Okay, try that. Next, sorry about that. I was wiping it off with the tissue. Okay, the next thing is the Bio Effect. Let's see. Oh, it's tiny. Let's see, can you read that? It's clear, so it's hard to read. But it's called Bio Effect EGF Serum, and it's worth 25 pounds. How to use: smooth 2 to 4 drops over clean and dry skin on the face and neck, patting gently until fully absorbed. Cool. Editor's tip: a small amount goes a long way. With this powerful serum, we suggest using a pea-sized amount for best results. Okay, let's see if I can open this up. Oh my gosh. It's like vacuum sealed on there. I cannot open this. Okay, I cannot open this thing. It's like so hard to open. The silver thing came off. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but okay, I'm gonna move on. I'll have to just try this another day. Okay, next in the box is this Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray or Go Big Spray. So you could have got either one. I got the Go Big Spray. This is worth 2 pounds. It says Go Big treatment, spray throughout damp hair, blow dry and style as desired. Go Big treatment. Okay, well, this is 1 fluid ounce. These were the choices, I mean the options that you would have gotten. So let's try this. The smell. Ooh, it smells good. It smells good. It smells a little bit like hairspray, but it smells okay. It's not too bad. It does feel like kind of hairspray too. Kind of sticky. But okay, so there's that. Next is this. Ooh, cool soap. Okay, this is a soap, Korres Natural Pure Greek Soap, chamomile, pomegranate, or olive and olive blossom. So I got the olive. This is worth 5 pounds. And basically how to use just normal, work into a lather. Editor's tip, suitable for all skin types. These soaps are 98% natural. So I got the olive and olive. Oh wait, I thought I got the olive and olive. Oh, I'm sorry, I got the chamomile. Okay, that's cool. I like chamomile. Softening soap, and that's all right. So this is nice. I like that. Next is this item here. Let's see if we can focus there. This is called Filigrana Lift Structure. This is worth 9 pounds. So how to use this: apply morning and evening massaging into face. Editor's tip, integrate as part of daily facial massage routine to reduce puffiness or inflamed skin. So lift structure, ultra lifting cream. Okay, good. I'm putting like so much stuff on my hands. This one is thick. This one's nice. It smells, okay, well I can't really smell it, but it doesn't smell bad. All right. So those are the items that I got in the Look Fantastic June box. I'm going to make sure there's nothing else in here. So again, there was this eye cream, which this one I am really excited about using. The face mask, which kind of scary that it's going to tingle and turn red, but we'll give it a shot. The serum that I could not open. The thickening spray I probably won't use because my hair is already so thick, so this might go for as a gift. The lift structure cream, I'm not really excited about it. It doesn't seem like it offers anything that other face creams do, but I do like that its focus is anti-aging, so that's nice. And the chamomile soap, I am excited about trying this because I do love different soaps. All right, that's it for my Look Fantastic unboxing. Thank you so much again for joining me. If you're interested in purchasing Look Fantastic, I'll leave a link below, okay? Thank you so much. Bye.